This one cost 24,500, and this is Power Arc 315 powered by Powercraft. This is the price is 10,180 pesos. The price for this one is 7,646 pesos. This is PC Mig 250. This is 49,000 pesos. That one is 70,000 pesos by Pon Air. This is by Powercraft. $380 amps, 12,000 pesos. This is from Prescott MMA 180 inverter DC welder. The price is 8,460. Both are the same. This one is from Shinsitsu. And that's the price. This one again from Shinsitsu Eco Series. This is by Pon Air. This is 12,900. This is Arc 200 by Pon Air again, 15,700. This one Arc 250 by Pon Air. So this is Pon Air Tig 200, and that's the price, 18,800. This is another Pon Air 200A. Got no price. But this is the plasma cutter. And that's the price of the plasma cutter. This is an inverter wheel. It's 12,000 pesos. This is from Contender by Powercraft. 7,000 pesos for this one. Tig and arc welding. This is 13,000 pesos. This is inverter welding machine. 10,000 pesos for CIW 250. This is from Galaxy. 200 DC arc welding machine. It's 12,500. This is from Flash by Powercraft. You can see it can be a holder, and that's the 17,500. This one again from Powercraft. This is only 11,000. This handy one inverter 1 GBT welding machine is 11,500. This is 250 from Galaxy inverter welding machine. This is 22,500.